Ever wondered how raw ingredients turn into thousands of perfect golden baked biscuits? It's not just baking, it's high-speed automation. From shaping the dough to precision oven cycles, everything is about flow and efficiency. Today at Flow Lab, we're looking inside an industrial biscuit line to see how it's all engineered.
The flow rate seems stable at 200 tons per hour.
Excellent. The moisture content is optimal as well.
The moisture levels look good on this batch.
Agreed. The scourer is running smoothly.
Utilizing high-velocity air, the system efficiently removes chaff and dust, ensuring only the purest wheat continues down the line.
The flow rate looks good on the upper conveyor.
Yes, but keep an eye on the moisture levels near the auger.
Make sure the pressure holds steady on intake valve 7.
Roger that. I'll keep an eye on the gauge.
Make sure the water flow is steady now.
Yeah, looks good. Consistency is perfect. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge right there.
Check the weight calibration on line 3.
Looks good. We're ready for the divider.
The sheeting process is critical, ensuring a consistent thickness across the entire width of the dough before it moves on to the next stage.
We're holding steady at 4 millimeters.
Good. Maintain that speed for the next batch.
Check the dough consistency at the cutter. I see it looks a little thin on this side.
The suction pressure needs to be increased right here. Okay, I see the buildup. Check the alignment on the dough. It's running too thin over here.
All right, I'm adjusting the rollers now.
Keep an eye on the spacing right here. It has to be exact before it hits the oven.
The raw dough pieces travel seamlessly along the conveyor, entering the precisely calibrated heat of the industrial oven.
We're looking at nearly 2 tons of biscuits an hour coming through this line.
And the heat has to be precise in every zone.
The precise control of temperature ensures each biscuit rises uniformly, developing its signature flaky crust.
These look perfect, nice and fluffy. Yeah, the new oven settings are working well.
After cooling, the biscuits undergo a final meticulous inspection to ensure quality before moving on to the packaging line.
At the inspection stage, we ensure only the highest quality products move forward for packaging.
Look at the throughput on this line. We're exceeding targets for the hour.
And the rejection rate remains exceptionally low.
The data shows a slight fluctuation on line 3.
I noticed the gear alignment was off slightly. It's corrected now. Everything looks good here. The flow rate is consistent with the target output.
Watch the temperature on the sealer.
Seals are tight. Quality check passed.
The system automatically detects and removes any underweight products before they reach final packaging.
With surgical precision, the robotic arms arrange the packets into groups of 10, ready for shipment.
The pallets are safely moved to the high bay warehouse, ready for distribution.
Bay 3, clear the aisle. Roger that, moving now.
Watch my left side. Watch the left side, bring it back slowly. Got it. Setting it down now.
Latch secured. Applying seal number 42.
Copy that. Seal 42 verified. Make sure that last pallet is secure before he takes off.
Already strapped down, we are good to go.
The key to the perfect biscuit lies in the bake, creating that signature golden color and incredibly crispy, layered texture that you see here.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Looks stable within the parameters.
The temperature on oven 3 is spiking again.
Yeah, I just adjusted the flow rate. It should stabilize now.
Keep it coming straight back. Watch the clearance on the right.
The transcription utilizes the provided script and translates the spoken dialogue.
From raw ingredients to the final pack, that's how industrial efficiency is engineered. For more insights into the processing world, hit that subscribe button. This is Flow Lab, keeping the industry moving.